Hi there, Lodi Elementary School. We're back and proud to kick off another great year. But we can't do it without PBIS. But what is PBIS? It stands for Positive Behavior Interventions and Supports. In other words, we want to support you and help you be successful in positive ways, so you can be your best self. Because when you are your best self, everyone else can feel safe, happy, and successful in school too. Ways to accomplish this? Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. And there's lots of ways we can do these things. PBIS with Lodi Pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe.